What you may not know is today's Supreme Court decision will lead to a new law in Texas that bans most all abortions. Our political reporter Jack Fink is here now to talk to us a little bit more about this. Jack, I guess the big question is, when is all of that going to affect?
Well, Ken, this new Texas trigger law, called the Human Life Protection Act, will go into effect 30 days after it's officially entered into the Supreme Court's record, so that will likely take place by mid-August. It bans most abortions. Now, there are exceptions, and they are to save the life of the mother. The law also makes performing abortions a felony, so doctors caught performing them could face life in prison and fines of at least $100,000. This afternoon, Dallas County District Attorney John Creuzot released a statement suggesting he won't prosecute cases, saying, quote, "I want women across Texas and especially here in Dallas County to rest assured that my office will not stand in the way of them seeking the health care they need." We're in the process of checking with other DAs in North Texas counties. The Texas Democratic Party is calling on local governments and law enforcement agencies not to enforce this law. Because of the criminal and civil penalties that are part of this law, it will be enforced by the Texas Attorney General's office and district attorneys. Democratic State Representative Julie Johnson of Farmers Branch expressed outrage about today's Supreme Court ruling and the new Texas law. Republican State Representative Giovanni Capriglione of Southlake, who authored the bill, says he's very excited about today's ruling and the new law.
What this legislation does is it extends the protections of the state to all lives. And I think that's what's important. And I think that's what those of us who have been pro-life for a long time have always said and always prayed for.
The state is forcing Texas women to carry their pregnancies to term, which is unconscionable to me. You know, I saw a thing one time that said, you know, a 14-year-old we'd never allow her to legally adopt a child, but now we're going to force her to be a mother if she's raped or conceives without her consent.
Democratic state representatives are expected to file numerous bills to restore abortion rights in Texas during the next legislative session, which starts in January. Republicans in the legislature are also talking about filing bills of their own, and I'll have more on that coming up at 5. Ken.
Obviously, still much more to talk about, so we'll see you at 5 o'clock, Jack.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.